okay? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is August. How is it August? It's back to school month. Leaves are falling on the ground. Pumpkin spice latte is about to come into our lives. So many changes. So I wanted to get you ready for school, work. If you need a new routine for the year, this is going to be your routine. All affordable. Most of it's drugstore makeup. It's not as hard to get your parents to buy you the makeup, or if you're buying your makeup for yourself, it's gonna save you some money, and they're good products that actually work and stay on your skin for the rest of the day. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to see how to get this everyday back to school makeup, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the fun. And without further ado, let's get in. Start with your brows first. Doesn't matter if you have full brows or barely any brows. I barely have any. Do them first. Make sure there's no product, no skincare, none of this stuff around the brow area so everything sticks to your face. Covergirl brow liner is only like $8 at Target. So I put this one on my list for you guys because I thought it was a good one. I have medium brown and dark brown. I'm not really sure which one, but we're gonna try both. Whether you have a lot of hair or no hair, this is gonna work for anyone. So let's go ahead and draw in my brow hair first in the front. Just fill in where you need it. Following your natural brow shape is always gonna make you look the best. So I'm gonna just follow my skinny little brows and even them out a bit. If you have naturally thick or full brows, you're God's favorite. You don't really need to fill in much. You could just use a brow gel or just fill in where you need a little bit more balance. Curl the lash. I'm doing my lash before my skin because if you need to run out the door, having your brows and lashes done, if you have nothing at all, instant glow up. This curl tip, you need to know when you curl, clamp straight up all the way until it's straight. You're gonna get the curliest curl out of your eyelash curler when you do this. Trust me. Or don't, whatever you want. Okay, I'm doing this step for my girlies that don't want to wear mascara. Lash primer is essential. I love lash primer and I wear lashes every day. So the Lash Princess is so good and the color is adorable. It's this teal. The color just makes me happy. Lash primers just keep your lashes up and make them even longer. We're using the Call Me Queen from Essence, the literal queen of mascara. Such a cute packaging. It's so affordable and it never fails me. Look at the difference. Wow. The spikes on the wand give you this false lash effect and it's like you have lashes on. It's actually so pretty. I don't even need lashes, but I know myself, if I was going to work or school, I would still put on a natural lash. So let's do that. For my natural false lash, I'm using the Lybre lash number 8. These are very wispy, light, airy. Let's put them on. Okay, lashes are on, ready to slay the day. Primer is essential for your makeup to last all day. And these two, your makeup isn't going anywhere. I'm gonna take this Milani 24-hour wear setting spray. It's also like a primer, so you can just prep your skin with it. I love to mist my face before I start anything. And then I'll go in with this NYX Bear With Me. I got this because I tried it in my last dupes video and it was actually pretty good. And my makeup lasted pretty well on the side that I had the dupe on and I really liked it. So I wanted to use it with you guys today. It's really cool to play with, honestly. It's like a jelly. It actually helps your makeup last longer. So I'm just gonna apply this to my face. It's hydrating, kind of works the same as the Milk Hydro Grip, but it's a lot more affordable. Your makeup is not gonna budge with these. Serena Williams is in the beauty game now. She just created her own beauty line called Win Beauty and she has an SPF 30 skin tint that I want to try with you guys. I haven't tried it. Love the packaging. Ooh, I hope this isn't too light. I think it is a little too light, but we're gonna make it work. She also has a beauty sponge and it's giving tennis ball. Very on brand. Okay, I'm gonna do a little color correction. I'm gonna diffuse and brighten. The diffusing is with the peach from e.l.f. and the brightening is the yellow from e.l.f. These are my favorite color correctors in the game. Correctors are supposed to be like serums. They're very lightweight. They're supposed to help you use less concealer. That's why they're so amazing. Then I'm gonna go in with these Essence concealers. But these have a buildable medium creamy texture. I'm using a lighter one for the inner part of my under eye circle and then one that matches more of my skin tone on the outer part of my face. And then we're just gonna brighten up a little bit. These are so creamy, the way it glides on your face. Jaden, say hi to the YouTube fam. Hi. Can you believe Jaden is that tall already? Those of you who've been with me for a while know that like I've had him on my channel since he was 5. Doesn't really like to be on camera as much, unfortunately. Same for my husband. He doesn't really like to be on camera, but he used to be on quite often and I miss that so much. This blended out really beautifully. The coverage for $4, it's insane. This deodorant bronzer, oh no! Shoot. Anyways, we're still gonna use it because it's amazing. I love this deodorant bronzer from Pixi. I have the shade Beach Glow, but it fits so precisely in every part of your face. You can do the thinnest line or a little bit of a thicker line. I'm a bronze tour, so I'm gonna use this in the areas that I would contour, also giving myself some warmth. It looks like a deodorant. I just think it's so cool, easy, and quick. I'm gonna blend in my nose first because it's just a little bit easier. I'm using the It Cosmetics number 7 brush. Elf actually has this brush. It's called the Complexion Duo, and it works very close, but the quality on the It Cosmetics one is it's just better. And I love this brush for everything. I always hype it up because I feel like everybody needs this brush if you put on any cream on your face that has to do with makeup. It's just perfect. Look at that. Bam. This blush from Pixi is the prettiest pink for every day. It's called Passion. This gives you like a dewy finish if you like that hydrated, dewy look, especially my dry skin girlies. This is for you because I am that girl. If you have oily skin, you might not like it. Also, take a little bit of your blush and pop it into the outer corner of your eye. The outer corner? The outer end. It's gonna act like a little bit of shadow along with that bronzer we put in there, and you won't even need to dig into an eyeshadow. This is a lip balm. I have been lying to myself. I had no idea this was a lip balm because it's so big. Read it and I'm like, lip balm? You can use a lip balm on your cheeks. No wonder it's so glowy. We're gonna set everything in place with the Maybelline Fit Me. This is in the shade Fair Light. I'm just gonna take this brush from BK Beauty. I, by the way, love these freaking brushes. I got them in PR recently and I cannot use another brush because they're so soft, fluffy, and blend everything in to my skin like a dream, like butter. These are my favorite brushes. I literally have all my brushes on my wall just waiting to wash them, and I'm like, but do I really need to? Oh my god, I'm so lazy with my brushes, you guys. Wash your brushes, please. Don't do as I do. If you're anything like me and you like to add a little bit more brightness, the Essence Brighten Up is really good at that. It's a very thin formula, so it won't look cakey under your eye. You want to tap very lightly over your makeup because you don't want anything to move around. I'm also just gonna brighten down the center of my face. Okay, I'm gonna do this for my girlies that like highlight. This is a really soft, pretty, airy highlight. I think it's the prettiest, effortless type of highlight that's not in your face. It's not like a blinding glow, but it's an everyday radiant type of healthy skin glow. And so I'm gonna use that on the center of my face, it's just like the high points of my face. We're using a lot of Essence. I love Essence, it's one of my favorite drugstore brands, but we're gonna use the Essence bronzer. I like that you have so many options here. Take that on the outer perimeter of my face, even go into the ear so you can connect this whole area of your face. All the shadows match. My ear just happens to be so pale. I do a little bit of extra contouring on my nose just for me. You guys can skip it or you can do it as well. It just locks in the shape that you created earlier. Also take a little bit of that bronzer and sweep it through your eyes so it gives your eyes a natural dimension. The bronzer does all the work for you. I'm putting a little bit on the lower lash line and you're done. For the blush, I'm gonna do the Wet n Wild Bed of Roses shade. Such a pretty color, very everyday. I'm gonna take that right on top of the lip balm that we put on our cheeks. But I mean, it worked out for us, so it's all good. I'm gonna do a little bit of a draping moment just so we can give our face a bit more pretty definition. If you want, you can take the blush on the eyes as well. I don't know about you guys, but I like a little mascara on my lower lash. I feel like it opens up my eyes a little bit more, but some people don't like the extra mascara for an everyday look. And this wand is doing so much work. It's giving us what it claims to give. It is literally giving us a falsie on our lower lash line. This is such a pretty everyday lip liner shade from NYX. It's called Nude. It kind of just looks like my lip color. It's very creamy, glides kind of like a lipstick. Then I'm gonna go over with this e.l.f. Pout Clout Lip Plumping Pen. And what shade is this? It doesn't say a shade, but I promise I will look for it and put it in the description, but look how juicy that looks. So pretty, very everyday. Let me know below if you have any lip liner recommendations that are drugstore or affordable. I give you that naturally defined lip. I feel like this one's good, but it could be a little bit deeper. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget, thumbs up this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. My face is in a circle right down there for you. Before I leave you, I give you a little motivational message for you to take throughout the week and think about. And today is going to be, when you're in a stressful situation, try to challenge yourself to say nothing, take a breath, literally take a minute if you have that time, and then decide. I give you these from my own personal experiences that I go through, so hope that helps for this week. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.